Okay, my phone is off, and as you can see, there's quite a crack in my screen protector. So from what I've read, the way to do it is you gently warm up the adhesive. I got a heat gun, going to put it on low, give it about 15 seconds. Okay, try this one more time. This toothpick, it just is not doing it. See, like some separation there. For sure. Now we get serious. There we go. Voila. Okay, they say these broken edges can be sharp. Nice, nice, very nice. It was off of there. How about that? Crazy. Okay. Okay. We opened up the wet wipe first, and I'd already cleaned it off pretty good with a paper towel, damp paper towel, and then a dry one. And then number 2, the dry wipe. It does feel dry. Don't want to get my finger oils on there. That looks pretty darn good. Okay. Next is the dust sticker, where you, this will start with going down the middle on this side. Okay, new approach. I tried using these guide stickers, but they just don't seem to have the adhesive. They just kind of fall apart. So we're going to go with some painter's tape. Some that's got some sticky Jean. Try that. Okay, looks pretty good. Now, get it aligned real good, just the way you like it. Okay. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Puppy's not going anywhere. It's gorgeous. Okay. Flip it over. Remove the back. Okay, and gently oh, that's what I'm talking about. Right. Oh yeah, they say start maybe right down the middle, and then work those air bubbles out. Got a bunch of air bubbles. Those are big air bubbles. Okay, well, I'm sure I can take this stuff off now. Yeah, let's see if we can kind of... Oh, those air bubbles, I don't know if you can see this, but they just walking right out of there. That's cool. Get this one to move. Okay, well, there's the final product. I just got my fingerprints off of there for the most part, and looks great. Highly improved from that cracked up screen protector I had a few minutes ago. Thanks for watching. If you liked, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a great day. See you later.